Was good. So, are you tired of being denied? Are you waking up in the middle of the night frustrated because of your credit score and you just don't know what to do to get approved? Or you just don't have no credit at all and you want to get an 800 credit score, a house, a car, you trying to basically reach your dreams? I know where you've been. I've been there. I had a bad credit score. I didn't know what to do. I tried multiple things to get things removed off my credit report, but it just wasn't working. But lucky for you, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. And if you want results like this, 800 credit score, look no further because I'm gonna give you 3 key things you can take away to basically get to where you ultimately need to be. So you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. So to get to an 800 credit score, there are 3 things you need to know. First, you need to understand the factors of your credit score. Second, you need to know what an 800 credit profile looks like. And right now, I'm about to show you this client's profile to basically so you can be able to model success. And third but not least, you need to have a foundation. Once you have this foundation and you have everything you need, the tools to be able to build this 800 credit score, now you'll be able to walk into any bank and get approved for anything you want. So right now, I'm about to hop on the whiteboard and show you everything you need to know. So to get this 800 credit score that you want, you need to understand what the banks are looking at. And most banks are looking at the FICO 8. And the FICO 8 is broken up into 5 different factors. And the highest credit score you can have is an 850. And the lowest credit score you can have is a 300. That now gives you 550 points to play with when it comes to your credit score. So there are 5 different factors that make up your credit score. Payment history is the biggest factor, and that's 35% of your score. Utilization, that's 30% of your score. Average age is 15%. New accounts and credit mix is 10%, right? 10% each. So now that you have a clear vision of what the actual credit score is made of, now you can see what you need to do to work in each area. So you remember what that client profile, that 800 credit score that you saw previously? This is what her profile looked like, right? She had 7 accounts, 6 of them was open and the last one was closed, right? She had a Citi card, which is a revolving account, was opened back in 2016. She had a Navy Federal account, which was opened back last year in 2020. She had an Old Navy account. She opened that back in 2013. A Capital One was opened back in 2012. A Kohl's, which was opened back in 2013. An auto loan that she had 3 years ago and was opened back in 2018. And then she had a line of credit, was opened back in 2013. This is what an 800 credit profile looks like, right? So her payment history was 100%. She had no missed payments at all. And if you have an encounter that you're going to miss a payment, call the bank prior. Make sure you set it up later so you don't ever miss a payment. Make sure you set up all your accounts to come out automatically so you won't ever miss a payment. Utilization, right? Her utilization was at 2%. She was way below. She kept it between 0 to 10%. Average age, her average age was 6 years. All these accounts added up and divided by 7 gave her 6 years of credit, right? Her credit mix, she had a revolving account and she had installment accounts. Her revolving accounts were Citi, Navy Federal, Old Navy, Capital One, Kohl's, and her revolving account was the auto loan, and she had a line of credit. That was another line of a revolving account, right? She had different type of credit mix. Hard inquiries, she only had 2 hard inquiries. That was recent, and that was a Navy Federal, and she applied for something else. So this is what an 800 credit profile looks like. Now that you have a clear vision and a clear understanding of what the profile looks like, now you can be able to go, all right, what I got to do to basically get this type of profile to get to an 800 credit score. So I'm basically going to show you what accounts you need if you don't have no accounts at all to basically start building these accounts up to get to where you want to be. Now that you know what the banks are looking at and you have an idea of what your credit profile needs to look like to get to that 800 credit score, but you're missing the foundation, right? So if you don't have no accounts at all, or if you're just starting to build, go watch this video right here, and I basically show you what accounts you can get with no hard inquiries, or if you got some hiccups or you need to get things removed off your credit report, watch this video right here instead, and basically I show you step by step on how to remove everything off your credit profile. And if you want to do it yourself, I have a free service. Just click the link in the description and I show you step by step on how to basically clean your credit profile for free.